Okay, so for this part of the assignment, we were to design a T flip-flop with asynchronous clear. And if we look at the truth table for a T flip-flop, we see that while our T is toggled as 0, we remain in the same state that we're set in. So if our current state is 0, 1, our next state will be 0, 1. If our T is toggled 1 or toggled red is active, then in our current state is 0, 1, where our Q is 0 and our Q bar is 1, our next state would be 1, 0, Q being 1 and our Q bar being 0. So the only time we're switching our outputs is when T is red as 1. Otherwise, we'll remain in the current state that we're in. So going into the simulation, we see that we start off with our Q is 0 and our Q bar is 1, with our T set as 1. So on the rising edge of the clock, we update our outputs. So they switch from 0, 1 to 1, 0. Here we see Q is 1 and Q bar is 0. And moving forward, our T is now toggled to 0. So on the rising edge of the clock, you still remain in the same state, just like in the truth table. And then we move forward, our T is now toggled as 1. And on the rising edge of the clock, we see our values updated. Now Q is 0 and Q bar is 1. If we move further along, we see that when we reach the clear, the asynchronous clear, we return to our original state of 0, 1, which is our initial state of Q and Q bar.